My name is Randy Manetti, and in this video I'll be talking about the affiliate marketing course step by step. Now, I've been online for well over 7 years, and I've invested a lot of money in a lot of courses. Some courses, cost well over $3,500, and I have not gotten the value out of those courses that I've gotten out of this course. If you're looking for something that's easy to follow along, something that's well taught, something that will help you quit that 9-to-5 job, something that will help you be your own boss. If you want to fire your boss and be your own boss, set your own schedule, this is something that could help you out. Now, this is not a turnkey thing. This isn't where you just buy it and all of a sudden you become rich tomorrow. No, you're going to have to work at it, but it's going to be worth it. You work hard at your job now. If you put that same effort into this course, I promise you, in a year or less, you'll be able to replace that job, stay home, spend more time with your kids, and just have more freedom, and have more money than what you're making now. Now, if you're making $1 million a year, well, it might take a little longer than a year to replace that. But this course will teach you all about how to set up a Facebook account, how to promote on Facebook, how to do LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Instagram. It's all there. And so at the end of this video, there'll be a link. Please click on that link and learn on how you can be set free. Now, this course is going to cost just a little bit more than a meal at McDonald's. This isn't you have to mortgage a house or anything. So it's definitely worth looking into. If you're truly interested in being set free, please click the link below this video